Hello guys, I have a guest coming over and Spring is going to help me make a delicious dinner in under 30 minutes. No more planning, shopping, and prepping. Now let's go! So here's my all-in-one recipe kit box with step-by-step instructions. For today's recipe, I'm going to make chili dusted prawns with charred sweet corn and beans. Here's the easy and quick to follow recipe card. This recipe is also healthy balanced and macro counted by a team of nutritionists and chefs. The ingredients are already pre-prepped and pre-measured. Easy, right? Guaranteed that fresh and flavors are sealed. These fresh, high-quality vacuum-packed ingredients are sourced from trusted suppliers and prepared in top-class kitchen facilities. These ingredients have no preservative and hidden calories. And look! All packaging are 100% made of biodegradable plastic. Even the box are fully recyclable materials. We have the chipotle chili marinated prawns, olive oil, chopped garlic and ginger, black beans, sweet corn, honey, apple cider vinegar, red bell pepper, chopped green onion. And finally, chipotle powder, and it says here, be careful, I'm a bit spicy. So let's prepare this flavor-packed dish in only 4 steps. Heat a large frying pan over a medium-high heat with 1 teaspoon olive oil. When oil is hot, add ginger and garlic and fry for around 30 seconds until golden brown. Then add diced red bell peppers. Add the chopped spring onions and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until softened while stirring. For the second step, cook the corn and beans. Let's add the honey, corn, beans, and apple cider vinegar. Let's cook it for another 3 minutes while stirring. We can add a little salt and pepper to taste. Transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Third step, let's cook the prawns. When oil is hot, add the marinated prawns and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until cooked through. For those who like it spicy, sprinkle extra chipotle powder onto the prawns while cooking. So there you go guys, we're done cooking. Now let's plate our chili dusted prawns with charred sweet corn and beans. So it's very easy. We just saute the ginger and garlic and then the chopped green onions, and then we add our red bell pepper and then we saute it very quickly. And then to that we add our sweet corn, our black beans, and then we add our honey and then our apple cider vinegar, and then we season it with our salt and pepper. By the way, this salt and pepper shaker in this pretty nice apron over here is also a complimentary when you place your first order to get you started. So on a clean pan, you're going to add olive oil, and then to that we add our prawns, we cook it, and then we add our chipotle powder. Be very careful, the chipotle powder is very spicy. And now we're ready to plate. Can you believe it guys? From box to the plate, we prepared this chili dusted prawns with charred sweet corn and beans in less than 30 minutes or even less. So what are you waiting guys? Start springing today.